Piece of shit. Anything good on them? Now what do we do? I have 8 bullets to my name. This is gonna suck, isn't it? I killed so many people. In the small time frame that I did this, I've killed so many outside. Is there really no trader or anything around here? Dude, I've gotten so much. Do I just go back? Is that a fucking person? You think I could snipe him from here? I mean, I got him. Oh, I didn't. Oh, you know who he's shooting at? Oh, fuck me. You think this game has range? I mean, I guess it does, because I mean, it's also ranging me and he's not hitting anything. Okay. I can get something from these guys. Bandage. Heavy. Drop the pistols and and none of them have ammo on. Like that's drop the fucking pistols.